They told you cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis. Guess what? That's complete BS. Arthritis is about your joints wearing down, not about that pop. The sound comes from tiny bubbles bursting in the joint fluid, like microscopic soda fizz. No damage, no disease. Quick kicker. One doctor even cracked the knuckles of just one hand for 60 years as an experiment. Result? Zero arthritis. So next time someone gasps when you crack your fingers, just tell them it's science, not suffering. Your joints are fine. The myth? Not so much. This is bullshit busted. Only on Good Vibes Post.